Some cool and refreshing like lemonade. Just a little touch and them a celebrate. Push it, did I get this sitting every day?
Yes, my viewer, subscriber, it's your boy Djstullaa from here, the Vice, you know how it is. Kartel drop another one called Dear Rave. And I tell us, say, yo, viewer, subscriber, pre this.
Long piece of wood for your tight wall. Bars now your mouth, girl, bite down. She say me bright, me say light bulb. Plus me clean to me step like pine salt. Girl.
Yo, viewer, subscriber, big old man thing. Kartel literature dep on point at all time. You see me? When Kartel dep on a Riddim, Kartel a spit fire like a dragon. I know anybody can be in a Kartel lane. But hear me now, before we go down in a hit, we are gonna run the intro. So walk with me. Yes, my viewers, it's your boy Djstullaa. We say if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, comment, share, or you can press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it, or you can catch us on the gram at Djstullaa. Say nothing more, your boy wants.
This a the rave, yeah man, this a the rave. Every hot girl, brawling, bare face, this a the rave, yeah.
Viewer, subscriber, make we break down what Kartel say. Kartel say, yo, just touch it and she a celebrate. But hear me now, forget that. That's what that. Make we go down in the wordplay. Make we go down in where we are talking about the literature of Kartel. Kartel say, yo, long piece of cocky for the tight hole. Balls in her mouth, me say, bite down. She say, you're bright. The man say, no, light bulb. Yo, at that me I try to tell her, say, yo, only Kartel can do things like that. Only Kartel can bring them a flow, yeah. Only Kartel got them a bars, yeah. You see what me I say? Viewer, subscriber. The man go back and tell her, say, yo, a dear Rave. So hear me now. You see the ugly kind of girl them. Remember say when you come out on the dear Rave, you have to know you go, cause we don't want no walking vampire.
This a the rave, yeah man, this a the rave. When me talks them, power ear clear. Take with the key, we are lucky same way. She comes 7 times on a back shot. When she done hear her back.
Viewer, subscriber, right there so Kartel gone grimy, you get me? Kartel say where the dog them there, so Kartel a make you know say him and the thugs them come out. Kartel say yo, pow, shot a lick, you get me? I hear that. So them thing them Kartel a make you know, so right there so Kartel gone grimy, you get me? So man I say yo, them lucky city, but we take a key back, you get me? So that me I try to tell them, grimy. But here I know, forget that part there. Kartel say yo, the catty start get excited and say plop plop after she comes 7 times on her back shot. You see me? Viewer, subscriber, you ever beat up a girl in your yard and when she nice, she does that lick shot at them thing the Kartel I tell you about.
Champion, vote for me. Boat ride, be a girl on the boat for me. In a tights, in a shorts, of course, me. Good day, watch that, smooth like porcelain. Money, pull up, pound, me not show shilling.
Viewer, subscriber, we are going to break down another part where Kartel say, because Kartel I use up the literature and the metaphor right here. So saying, Kartel say, champion, vote for me. Girl dep on a boat ride in a short skirt, short shorts, skin smooth like porcelain. So right there, so Kartel I tell her say, yo, I some Victoria's Secret girl them. I some Chanel type of girl them. You see me? I them kind of girl them. Kartel not tell about no crocodile back girl. Kartel not tell about no alligator back kind of girl. Kartel I make you know say yo, a girl them with them on the boat ride a top 10. But on top of that, a whole of them did it. And I be a Kartel them a shout out.
Me girl like Guadeloupe, so she live in France. Come to Jamaica, forget in at the daddy pants. Bring your cousin, bring your friend, bring a bag of fans. Anywhere you see me, you see clans. Girl, if you're ugly, don't come at the rave. This at the rave.
Viewer, subscriber, right there so Kartel I make you know say yo, anywhere him that the dog them did it. A man say yo, girl a come from foreign, come check him. But him a make a girl know say yo, bring your cousin, bring your sister, bring your auntie. Because they talk them there and them one girl as well. You see me? So Kartel I make sure say man look after the whole family. And not just him alone. You get me?
Pull the girl skirt down. Fire in the belly, yeah, the world burn down. She a moan, that a pleasure, you feel no earth sound.
Viewer, subscriber. You see another party right now, Kartel I make you know. Say yo, dear Rave done. Boat ride done. Everything done. So here I know. Take your girl, go back at the hotel and pull the skirt down. And put fire in the hole. You see me? I make you know earth sound. So right there's a Kartel I make you know say yo, a time for lock off. A time for hit for get beat up. You see me? And I depth me I try to tell you say the way how Kartel put things, the way how Kartel deliver things, are just a few people can do that. You see me?